Okay, so here we are at Timmy's garage with Timmy the Toolman and Sean, and we were having trouble getting his drums off the rear axle. And what you have to do is you got to come in with a screwdriver and push this plate out of the way. Hitting it? You got to come in and push this away so you can turn the adjuster, because it really only wants to turn one way when you have the adjuster there. So you push it out, and then you take a tool and you turn this thing downward from the other direction. You turn it this way, so you're turning it this way.
So it opens it up.
Yeah, it opens it up, so you're turning it this way. Not the easiest thing to do, is it? I guess you come in at an angle and you can push on it.
Push it out.
Push it out, and then you could turn it. The other way it turns fine. So you gotta go a little bit off center from the wheel, and you're trying to hit this tab right here with the screwdriver or other tool to push the adjusting plate away from the adjuster so you can turn it. See that? So it's kind of hard to see when you're doing it blind, but that's what you're trying to go for right there.